Welcome to Mikab Model College online tutorial. We hope at the end of this lesson, you will have acquired the expected learning outcome. Sit down and listen attentively as we introduce.
Bonjour mes élèves, je m'appelle Madame Mary, votre professeur de français. Hello viewers, welcome to another French class. My name is Asseyez-vous Mary, your French teacher. Today, we want to discuss the language we use in the classroom. La langue de classe, classroom language. We always use this language whenever we are teaching in the class. You will always hear your teacher saying all this language in the class. So today we are going to learn them and how to pronounce them. The first one is called répétez. Répétez. Répétez means repeat. Completez. Completez. Completez means complete. Écoutez. Écoutez. Écoutez means listen. Regardez. Regardez. Regardez means look at. Silence. Silence. Silence means silence. Ecrivez. Ecrivez means write. Levez-vous. Levez-vous means stand up. Asseyez-vous. Asseyez-vous. Asseyez-vous means sit down. Fermez la porte. Fermez la porte. Fermez la porte means close the door. Levez la main. Levez la main means raise your hands. Let's take it one more time. Répétez. Répétez means repeat. Completez. Répétez après moi. Completez. Completez means complete. Écoutez. Écoutez. Écoutez means listen. Regardez. Regardez means look at. Silence. Silence means silence. Ecrivez. Ecrivez means write. Levez-vous. Levez-vous means stand up. Asseyez-vous. Asseyez-vous means sit down. Fermez la porte. Fermez la porte means close the door. Levez la main. Levez la main means raise your hands. Venez-ici. Venez-ici means come here. Lève-toi. This one, we use it when we are referring to a single person. Lève-toi. Lève-toi means stand up. Assieds-toi. Assieds-toi means sit down. That means you are talking to one person. Levez la main droite. Levez la main droite. Raise your right hand. Raise your right hand. Go over it again. Répétez. Répétez après moi. Répétez. Répétez. Completez. Completez. Écoutez. Écoutez. Regardez. Regardez. Silence. Silence. Écrivez. Écrivez. Levez-vous. Levez-vous. Asseyez-vous. Asseyez-vous. Fermez la porte. Fermez la porte. Levez la main. Levez la main. Venez ici. Venez ici. Lève-toi. Lève-toi. Assis-toi. Assis-toi. Levez la main droite. Levez la main droite. This is the language we normally use in the class. Join us in another edition of French class where we'll be taking another wonderful topic. Thanks.